Let's take a look at this related rate question where we are given a conical reservoir, vortex down. So let's see what we are given. Water is flowing at a rate of 50 meter cube per second. Meter cube is telling that this is dV dt, the volume cube per second. That means this is rate of change of volume. From, it says a from, that means this is a negative. So let's write that dV dt is negative 50 given to you, meter cube per second. Base radius and height. Base radius, since it is a shallow, so radius is 45 and the height is a 6. So it is changing in this ratio. They both are changing. Volume change, radius change, the height change. So let's see what's the equation of the volume of the cone is pi over 3 r square h. Let's read. The A says how fast the water level is falling. We know that the water is going down, so we need to find out what is dH dt. We don't know. The answer will be negative because the height is reducing. So we know that the answer will be negative, but what answer? That's what we have to find out. When the water is 5 meter deep, when H is 5 meter deep. So students usually get confused between this 5 and this 6. 45, 6, 5, do we substitute all of them in here? No, you never substitute the numbers in the beginning. We know that all three of them are changing. So you are given when the radius is 45, height is a 6. They both are changing in this ratio. You are given a ratio. They both are changing, but the relationship between radius and the height is this. And that's the relationship we have to use in here. So since we are interested in only h, we are not interested in the height. So we can make the relationship here r and h. When radius is 45, h is a 6. So look at the ratio. Ratio is, we look at that way, is a 6. R is equal to 45h, which means r is 45 over 6 times height. And we replace this relationship between r and h in here, since we are only interested in the rate of change of height. So pi over 3, r is 45 over 6 h square times h. So if I simplify this equation, I will have a volume is pi over 3. I'm simplifying. This is 15 over 2 square. So I'm just replacing those numbers as, let's write 15 over 2 square times h cube. This is actually 15 over 2. I should have written that way here. Now use differentiate with respect to t. So dV dt is equal to pi over 3. Keep it as it is, 15 over 2 square. Derivative of h cube is 3h square dH dt. And now we are going to do is substitute what we know. So dV dt is negative 50. I'm going to cancel the pi here, a 3 here. So that will give me pi 15 over 2 square, and now this is the height we are replacing with 5, because you have to find the rate of change of height when it was 5 meter. This is the rate of change of height when the height was 5 meter. Volume was changing, radius is changing, but radius we replace in terms of height. So now here you simplify for dH dt. Solve for dH dt. So whichever way you want to keep it in terms of fractions. You are allowed to leave it as a fractions. You can keep it in a, you could use a calculator. If I'm using calculator, I will have negative 50 goes in the numerator. 2 square is a 4 that goes in the numerator. Pi will be in the denominator. Then I have 15 square, which is 225, and 5 square is 25, and this would be meter per second. Second or minute? Yeah, it's a second. This will be your answer. So let's take a look at what happened when we are interested in the radius. So second part is how fast the radius is changing. So same thing, we are interested in dr dt. So let's use that relationship. R is 15 over 2h, but we are replacing h, we want r. So I can say r is equal to, h is equal to 2 over 15 r. 2 over 15, 2r is equal to 15h. Same formula, v is equal to pi over 3 r square h. We keep r. H is being replaced by, in terms of r. So volume is pi over 3, 2 over 15 r cube. Differentiate with respect to t. dv dt is pi over 3, 2 over 15. They are coefficients. Don't have to find the derivative of them. Derivative of r square, r cube is 3r square dr dt. Okay, so negative 50. We are using the same information there. Let's delete 5 and 5. 2 pi over 15 radius square dr dt. Now remember, this is the height, 5 meter deep. When h is 5, what will be r? So h is 5, what will be r? H is 5, what will be r? You are using this. So r is 15 divided by 2 times 5. So this number comes here. You are not given the radius, you are given the height. But you have to use this ratio to replace based on what you want. So that number comes here, 15 times 5 over 2. If you solve for dr dt, use a calculator, or you can just simplify based on what information you have here in the numerator, denominator. I have given you the answer that this answer is also coming out negative. And I have my calculator answer is 0.85 meter per second. If you are using calculator, make sure to round your answer to 3 decimal places. We can also see that the shallow reservoir, when the volume is changing, water is going down, the radius is also getting smaller and smaller, and that's why the rate is negative. Okay. So anytime cone is given to you and you are dealing with 3 rates, always deal with one rate at a time and look for the relationship. How do you replace one of the rate?